Hello friends, so this is the Mastercam tutorial for the threading operation. So go for the setting, configuration, changing the dimensions in millimeters, confirm that the dimension should be in matrix. Okay, so let's do the modeling in the first quadrant. Select the top plane. Okay, so prepare the figure into the first quadrant by considering this is the 0 point. Select the line, mark the 1 point, and here we have to just prepare the half portion of the figure, that is the top portion. So the complete length of this product, it is 30 plus 20, that is 50, plus 8, that is 58. So first of all I prepare the one line of 58, and the angle we have to follow 180 degree. Press enter, click OK. So now this is the complete length of the given product. Now just we have to prepare the half portion at the top side. So the initial portion having the diameter of 10 mm, so make the one line vertically upward, that is 5 mm. So click 5, angle 90 degree for the vertical line. Now the step of 20 plus 10, that is complete 30 mm. So prepare the another line 30 mm, the direction of 180 degree angle. Press enter. Now the another line that we have to prepare 7.5 mm from the given line. So initially already we prepared the line of 5 mm. So from this line we have to make the line of 2.5 mm, 2.5 mm in 90 degree angle. Click OK. Now make the step of 20 mm. So horizontal line 20 mm in 180 degree angle. Press enter. And finally the step of 8 mm. So the distance is 12.5. We have to prepare from the center line. So already we draw the 7.5. Remaining distance we have to prepare here, that is 25 divided by 2, right? So 12.5. So already we draw the 7.5. So again we have to prepare the line of 5 mm. So 5 mm in 90 degree angle. Okay. Now we have to just complete this line, 12.5 line in respect to 90 degree angle, and just join this line. Now this is our half portion of the product that we have to manufacture, and for the step of 20 mm we have to go for the threading operation. So step turning plus threading, these are the combination for the given figure. Now first we have to select the machine type. So already here we select the lathe machine by default. So double click onto the properties, go for the stock setup. So the current diameter of our product is 25, but we set the stock more than 25 because we have to prepare the step turning. So go for the stock, click on the properties and select the stock of minimum 30 mm. The length of given product, it is around 60 mm. So here I select the 80 mm, that is the length of product, because we have to stuck the some portion of the given component in a chuck. So that's why we have to prepare, we have to maintain the minimum 20 mm distance. Click OK. So now this is the dotted line showing the stock portion. Now select the type of chuck. So here we use this left side of spindle. Go for the properties, and the grip length here we have to select, that is 10 mm, and just click OK. Okay. Now see, this is the position of chuck. This dotted line showing the stock material, and this green line showing this is the final product. So up to the 10 mm length, the component get stuck inside the chuck. So it holding the chuck holding the given stock material. So now we perform the first operation. Go for the tool path, that is the roughing operation. Click onto the rough, click OK, select the chain, select the first line and the last line, click OK. Now we select the rightward tool, the roughing tool. Now here we can change the spindle speed, feed rate, maximum spindle speed as per our requirement. Click OK. Now we have to verify this operation. So click onto the verify selected operation, click it and just run it. So now tool showing that the step turning operation. So this is the roughing operation. After roughing operation, just click OK. Now we have to suppress this operation. Just click onto the toggle display. Go to the another operation called as the finish operation. So it's a finish cut. Select the chain, first line and the last line. Click OK. Now here we have to select the finish tool. This is the rightward finish tool. You can change the parameters. OK. Now verify the operation. Select the operation and click onto the verify. Just run the operation. So now this is the second operation called as the finishing cut operation. Now we go for the next operation, that is called as, before going for the next, go for the toggle display, then tool path and threading operation. So click onto the thread. Now here in threading operation we have to select the tool. Obviously this type of tool we have to select the tool, or we can modify the tool, or we can select the tool from the library. This is the tool library. So left-handed and right-handed tools are available here. We have to select the right-handed tool. So okay, we have to select the right-handed tool. Now we have to change the thread parameters. So as per figure, we have to prepare the thread of 1.5 mm. So here we have to specify the major diameter and minor diameter. So here the major diameter is 10 and the minor diameter is 1.5 mm cut from both sides. So the minor diameter is 7. Major diameter 10, minor diameter we have to use this 7. So automatically tool depth, that is 1.5 mm. That is the required tool depth, thread depth. Now the starting position and end position we have to define. Starting position obviously we have to keep from 0 and up to 20 mm we require the depth. So that is minus 20, that is the end point, and the starting point it is 0. Click OK. Now we can verify the operation. Just click onto the verify selected operation. I just zoom it. Go for the run. So it's showing all these operation. First roughing operation, then finish operation, and this is the threading operation. So now we are getting the proper threading as per our requirement. We can change the position of the view. So it's showing in a top plane. So 1.5 mm depth we are obtaining here. So it is called as the threading operation. Now click onto the OK and go to the shaded display. this is the wireframe. So we can generate the part program .nc file. Okay, yes, I want to replace the existing file. Now for the all these three operation we are getting the part program. So this is the CNC part program that we generate automatically with the help of software. So these are the three operations that we can perform with the help of Mastercam software. Verify the selected operation. Once again you can verify all these operations. We can change the speed. So this is the particular threading operation. Okay friends, so in next tutorial we see the milling operation. Thank you.